Hello family, Sir here. In this video, you are going to come with me and look at a community. It is the Farrington Community in Huntersville, and it's by NC Homes. Now, it's about 50 home lots available, and pricing is in the high fours. I think you're gonna like this, and there's certain things that I really love about NC Homes that I wanna share with you all. So before we go tour the house, come, let's look around the community, and be sure to like this video and leave a comment letting me know what you think regarding this property. If you're new to the channel, on this channel we talk about money, we talk about real estate, and we look at homes in different areas throughout the Carolinas. This home again is in Huntersville, North Carolina, which is just north of Charlotte and one of the top suburbs in all of North Carolina, and especially right around the greater Charlotte region. As we drive around this community, you will see the sizes of these homes. They are very good size, anywhere from about 2,500 square feet up to about 4,000 square feet. And prices in this community started off in the mid fours. And again, right now, you can get homes around $475 to $495, depending on your floor plan and what you choose to add on. This is a more secluded area of Huntersville. It's not near the hustle and bustle of Birkdale or over by Walmart and Target. This is more quiet, more rural, and just a couple years ago, there wasn't much development in this part of Huntersville, but as the Charlotte area grows, you see more communities like this popping up. Now, if you're interested in this community or any other community, please be sure to reach out to my team and I. We would love to help you. You have to let them know that you're being helped by Realtor Sir Ashley or my team when you first introduce yourself or make contact with the community, so we could advise you throughout the entire process. I was actually at this community because some clients were interested in it. They're actually moving to the Charlotte area and wanted to see the options that Huntersville had to offer. And I knew that NC Homes offered exactly what they needed. So don't hesitate, reach out to us. We would gladly help you and listen to what your wants and needs are and try to find a community and a builder that checks off all your boxes. Our contact number is on the screen and we look forward to hearing from you. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of this home. Again, this is the Preston model. I think you're gonna like it. Now here we are going into the Preston II floor plan. Now this floor plan can be arranged anywhere between 3 to 5 bedrooms. Also, it can be arranged between 3 to 5 bathrooms. It is just about 3,200 square feet. You come in, you have that grand entrance. This is your open floor plan. Your eating area, your kitchen, your living room, all open, perfect for entertaining. Let's go out and take a look at the covered patio. Now, I believe the covered patio comes standard. One thing I like about NC Homes is that they have certain standards for different series of homes. This is their traditional series, and you saw that built-in oven. Now, most builders, that is an add-on. That's an addition. Here at NC Homes, that is standard and customary for this series of home. You have a drop zone right here. You have a full bath. You have an option to make this a full bath. It typically comes standard as a half bathroom, and then you have this bedroom right here. Pricing right now for this floor plan in this community is right around 470. Now that is subject to change. They have about 45 more home sites left in this Farrington community in Huntersville, North Carolina. You come up, you have a loft area, but then you have this additional room that you could use as an office space. This is one of the unique features of this floor plan by MI Homes that I really like. Very large and spacious laundry room. This is bedroom number 2. You see that all the bedrooms are very good size. Bedroom number 3. Let's go and take a look at this shared bathroom. You have the dual vanity sinks and a tub shower combination right here. Now come with me and let's look at this foyer area from the second floor. You can never get used to that view when you come in, just see that grand entrance. Now let's look at the owner's suite. Very, very spacious owner's suite with the tray ceilings. Now this isn't normal furniture. You have a king size bed. You have full dressers on the side of each bed that they're using as nightstands. And then along that wall, those are 2 full size dressers side by side. That room is absolutely massive. And you go inside the owner's suite bathroom, dual vanity. You have the extended shower. Now this is an option. Standard, it comes with a shower and a tub. A lot of my clients recently, they want their tub. And with MI Homes, a tub comes standard, and that's not the case. Well, MI Homes, for this community and this series of homes, the tub comes standard, and that's not the case for most builders right now. If you like this community, please reach out to me. My team and I would love to help you, walk you through the process, and make sure you get a lot secured and that your interests are being looked out for. The number is on the screen, and we look forward to assisting you and hearing from you.